Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to install IPA files with AltStore on iOS. So whether it's an iPhone or an iPad, it's the exact same process. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to Google and then type download Sidestore. So download Sidestore like that, and here you will have this first link. So just click on it. Here it is. Go on Get Started, and here you will find downloading Alt Server. So here you will have these commands. So download Alt Server and then download iTunes and iCloud. This is just for Windows. So of course, if you want to change it, just go to Viewing Instructions for Mac, for example, or just go on and click on Windows. So it's very important that you download iTunes and iCloud from this link and not from the Microsoft Store. Next, once you have downloaded these, just install them on your computer. Next, open iCloud and log in to your account using Apple ID and password, and then click on Apply. Next, you will have to go to the search bar and then type Alt Server, open the app, and then connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. Next, go on and click on Open AltStore in the bottom right corner, and then click on the text box of the Apple ID and password. Open your account and then click on Install. And if you open your phone, you will see that the app will be downloaded. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.